Every AI video tool out there, Kling, Runway, Seedance, they all work the same way. You write a prompt, they give you a clip, and that's it. You want to change something? Start over. New prompt, new generation, every single time. Google just completely destroyed that workflow. They launched Gemini Omni, and this is not just another video generator. This thing is built for absolute character consistency and effortless creation. And the best part, if you already have Gemini, you already have access to this. Let me show you exactly what Omni can do. So I'm inside the Gemini app right now. Click the plus button and you'll see Create Video. That's where Omni lives. Click it and you get this full video creation page with built-in templates: anime, moon, 8-bit adventure, comic book, decades fashion, and more. Let's start with the moon template. This one is going wild right now. I'm uploading my own photo, selecting the moon template, and hitting generate. What Omni is doing right now is reading my face, preserving my features, and placing me into a fully generated cinematic scene. Previous AI tools either destroyed the face or lost consistency. Omni was built to hold your exact identity. And look at that output. That is my actual face, in a spacesuit, on the moon. One photo, 10 seconds of cinematic video. No editing software, no technical setup. Now let me show you something more powerful. No template, just a raw prompt with that exact same face reference. I'm typing this directly into the description box. A person walking through a futuristic cyberpunk city at night. Neon lights reflecting on wet streets. Cinematic slow motion. Dramatic camera tracking from behind. Atmospheric fog. Epic mood. That is the full prompt. Clean, descriptive, camera movement included. Hit generate. Look at the quality, the lighting, the motion, the cinematic feel. But most importantly, look at the face. It is perfectly consistent with the first video. No morphing, no weird artifacts. It looks like a high-budget movie shot. No other AI video tool on the market can hold this level of identity without complex workflows. This is the Omni different. Now let's talk pricing. To use Gemini Omni, you need a paid plan. Gemini I Plus is $7.99 per month with 200 AI credits. Gemini I Pro is $19.99 per month with 1,000 credits. This is the best option for most creators. And Gemini I Ultra is $100 per month for maximum power. Now, $19.99 is fair, but what if you could use the exact same Gemini Omni model with less money, with access to even more AI video tools on top of it? There's a platform called TopView AI. They have Gemini Omni Flash available right now as early access inside their video board. And here's what makes it interesting. TopView gives you Omni Flash plus Seedance 2.0 plus Veo 3.1 plus Kling, all inside one platform. You're not locked to a single model. The Pro plan on TopView is just $16 a month on annual billing. That's cheaper than Google's own Plus plan, and you get more flexibility. Let me quickly show you how it works. Inside TopView's board, I select Omni Flash as my model, upload my face photo as a reference, and type this prompt. The person in the image is standing on a rooftop at golden hour. City skyline in the background, cinematic lighting, slow dolly-in camera movement, confident pose, photorealistic. Hit generate, and there it is. Same Omni engine, same quality, lower price point. And TopView also has a free plan with 10 credits, so you can test it before paying anything. So here's the final picture. Gemini Omni is not just another AI video tool, it's a completely new way of thinking about video creation. You're not just generating random clips anymore, you're building consistent, high-quality scenes with your own characters. If you want the seamless Google experience, go with Gemini Pro. If you want Omni at a lower price with multi-model access, TopView AI is a genuine option worth trying. If this video helped you, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And if you want me to go deeper on Omni prompting techniques, comment Omni below. I'll see you in the next one.